This is how we roll. What it is, what it is. How we roll. Oh, let's go. Hi guys, it's your girl Janet. Welcome back to my channel. Please remember to like, share, comment, and do the thing and subscribe. Subscribe and help a girl out because guess what? Subscription is free. So you know what? Join the family. Thank you. Thing before I forget. The overtime has dried up. There's no more overtime. Now I'm back in on the school supply. And I'm dreading it. Can you believe it? Would you rather a retail job more than a school job? But let's see what next week will bring for me. So, you know what? It is what it is. I'll see you later. Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Hey guys, what's going on? What's poppin'? So today is Monday. How was your weekend? Mine was great. I hope yours is fine too. But guess what? We live to see another week. So let's give thanks. Look at my hair. Monday. This is how I came back from work. So you know my overtime is finished. So back to the real thing. But this is why I'm gonna mourn a bit. This is why I don't like to do supply teaching assistant. I'm a girl. We like to get things in order. I know what I'm doing way beforehand, right? So, as you know, you go on the app. So my app was open from Saturday because I know what my weekly plan was. So this morning I got up, I get ready, look after breakfast. From Sunday I didn't see anything coming. So I said, let me just wait out today, Monday. Alright? Like 7, nothing. 8, nothing. So like nearly 8:20 going to 30. I said, you know what? Let me make, nothing came in. So I'm like, it's alright, I'm not going to work today. So forget about that. So I said, let me make my day productive. I'm going to do my shopping. And I'm going to drop my son to school. So by the time I reached downstairs, shopping bag and all, a job came in on the app. And I looked and I just didn't pay any attention. Because you know what? This girl have her thing planned out. So you see let me get back to this. So I did change and everything. So shopping, went to open the car and my phone rang. The agency called me. Oh, Janet, are you available to work today? I said I was. But I saw the job. But if I go, I'm going to be late. They asked me if I could go because they requested me. So I'm like, okay, I'm going to be like 45 minutes late. They said it's fine. So I had to tell my son to get the bus. And then shopping was off the menu. So I had to come back upstairs, get myself ready. My hair was a mess. So you know I'm in a rush. Because the tired went out. Because my hair was all nice from last night. So I said, you know what, I'm not going anywhere. So I put my cap on. Listen, I had to fling in this thing and this, that, and oh my God, I was so in a rush. And then I reached the school. It was a secondary school. It wasn't it was like half an hour journey because I had to rush to get the bus as well. Luckily, I made it a little bit late than usual, but I made it. You know what? I have to thank. At least I made the money. So, supply job, it's like spontaneous. You have to be here, there, everywhere. And I don't like the last minute thing. This is why it's annoying me. But you know what? This is why I like my retail job, because I know my time. I know what I'm doing and everything. I even, because I like it so much, trying to extend my time. So, you know what? Let's see it goes. So this is my Monday. My Monday. School is school. You know, these are big kids. They are even taller than me, and you know, they're towering over me and everything. And you know what? It is what it is. So my day is over. Tomorrow is my shopping day, and then my class day, and then that's it. Anyway, that's my rant for the day. So see you. Hey guys, as you can see, it's another day. How y'all doing? Well, finally, it's Tuesday. I'm going to do a big shopping. So I'm at the supermarket. I'm in the parking lot. Let me flip around so you can see. Yeah. I'm at my trusty Hazda. So I'm going to do the shopping finally. And then have a little rest at home. And then I'll go to my class. So you know what, maybe if I'm comfortable, it's just a little tip of maybe, I will vlog a bit in the supermarket. So see ya. That's a big maybe, because you know, vlogging outside is a little bit uncomfortable because people keep staring. I don't know what they're staring at, because it is what it is, because guess what, it's just a camera and people talking. That's it. What's the big thing? Oh my god. So this is way hours from this morning. Just back from class. I'm gonna do some baking and some cooking. I've been craving some cookies. So I bought the cookie dough from supermarket this morning. So I'm gonna do some baking, and then I'll just get ready for tomorrow. So see ya. Peace out. Hey twin, where have you been? Nobody knows me like you do. Nobody gonna like you do. Anytime I try and body do. Anyway, what do you think about my hair? Is it growing? I hope so. The middle is not growing as fast as it should, but it's still growing. Look up. My pajama. Is it that crush? I don't care, because I'm going to bed. Who irons their pajamas? Do you? It's just for sleeping. Come on, when you wash it, get crushed. Anyway. So, it was a long day. I'm exhausted. Am I the only one that goes to a maths class without a headache and come out with an headache? What is the problem? Is it because I don't like maths? I don't know. Anyway, I'm preparing my hair, like combing it and then tie it down with my famous scarf for tomorrow, because guess what, I know what school I'm going to tomorrow, so at least I can be more organized. And as you see earlier, I went shopping, so I have lunch for tomorrow, so I'm good to go. What did it say? Oops, you flipped around. Come on. It said good to go. Look. Ooh, healthy hair for a healthy girl. It said good to go. So you know what? I see you when I see you. Let me just finish this hair. Focus. And then I'm gonna eat a bit of cake and prepare for bed. You like my cup? My pink. I'm not that girly in pink, but this is the Stanley dupes. This is from Primark. They've got this one and the smaller version. You know, Primark need to sponsor me, you know. I'm not gonna stop saying, because I promote their thing too much, because I like shopping there. And guess what? I work there too. Anyway, see ya. See you in another day. Bye bye. Hi lovies, what's going on? What's going on? Anyway, today is another day. Today is Thursday. I got up, get myself ready for work, but no work came in, so not to worry. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna utilize my time and do some maths because I've got loads of homework to do. So I'll do that and then rest. I'm still in bed because you know what? Yesterday I came home from work and I was so tired. I was knackered and my back was killing me. I had to just put on an e-pad, rub it with some Radiant, and then go to bed because trust me, yesterday had me out. And when I said out, I was out. I don't know if I did, because work is not that far from me, so I did walk to work because I was a little bit early, but that was no problem for me because walking is nothing. It's like just exercise. But geez, work is work, innit? I want someone to show me what work is easy and not that straining. But you know, a girl's got to do what a girl's got to do. Anyway, today is a low-key day. It's a bed day, a rest day. And just practice some maths because that maths the other day kicked my rump. Trust me. I was struggling a little bit. Needed a lot of not a lot, little bit of support from the teacher. So now I'm going to utilize my time and practice and just catch up. That's when I go back to class. I can find it more easy. So that is my Thursday, and then tomorrow's Friday. I booked a swimming session, so I'll be meeting those friends. And the school I went to, I've been there before, so now it's like my third time, and I'm making a few little friends. Cause people are really nice there, so you just chat about your experience and stuff like that. My experience with that at that school is not too bad because that was the school that I get bit. That little girl bit me, but it's okay. I'm in different classes every day, so different class, different experience, and that's my life as a supporting a teaching assistant, and that's how it goes. Anyway, let me get to this work so I can rest for the day. So I'll see you maybe tomorrow, maybe today, who knows. Later. Hey, I'm trying to be a good vlogger. I'm trying to vlog every day, so let's see how it goes. Well, now it's later down in the day, later down in Thursday. Cause boy, have you ever been so tired that you're so snappy at everyone? I cussed out everyone last night. I was so tired. Sorry, but you know it goes. So, as I said today, I just did a little practice in maths and then I slept all day. Now I got up, got a new fresh, cause here, new pajamas. I did a little bit of washing and I've got those to put away and some in the machine to go out. Now I did cook dinner, so I got up a little bit earlier. So now I've got a little bit of plate to wash and put away, and then I just rest up for the the rest of the day, because tomorrow I'm going to go to the sauna and to the swimming pool, and I hope I get some steam because my back is killing me lately. I don't know what's wrong with my back. If it continues, I need to go to the doctors because oh my god, my back has so much pain in it. Look, my head is still tired from this morning, but you know what? I think that's enough for today, so I'll see you tomorrow. I'll pick you up back tomorrow before I go to swimming. So see ya. Morning, guys. The lighting is bad in here. So today is Friday, as you can see. I've tucked into my swimming trunks because I'm going swimming and I'm going to the sauna to meet up with the girls. And guess what? Oh God, I woke up with this terrible headache, but you know what? I'm not letting this headache stop me and mess up my day, because today is a good day. It's another day, and I think it's my last Friday of going swimming, because guess what? I got some good news yesterday. I got my email that my contract in my retail job, they changed it. I requested a change, so I'll do more hours, and thanks be to God, I will be super busy because they said yes. Thank you. So I just need to sign that contract, and then I'll be a busy girl. Anyway, I'm getting ready. I just came in the bathroom where the lighting is good. You know, I've got a headache, but don't worry about that. It's a bit stress, and stress not gonna kill this girl, because guess what? When there's stress, there's good news on the other side. So I'm happy for myself. Yay! Be happy for me too. So as you can see, I've got my swimming suit underneath, so I'm gonna put a top over, and then I'm off, and then I'll be back home, hopefully editing this vlog. So there's nothing exciting for me going on this weekend, so it's just a little bit of what I did in the week. It wasn't nothing that exciting. It's just work, and I talk about it. I didn't go into the schools, but you know what? It is what it is. It is what it is. So guess what, guys? If you reach this far watching my vlog, thank you. Just remember to press the like button and leave a comment. It will help my channel to grow. And if you're new and passing through, why not just join? Just join the family. Help a girl out. So I see you in another vlog. Peace out. See ya.